कहाँ हैं वो सारे जिनके बाल थे ऐसे? You get okay, come. Those who got their hair done, I need you back on stage. Okay. Keep your phone in your pocket, boys. Boys. Okay. सर अभी जूनियर कॉलेज में जाने वाले हैं. ओके, नो तुम्हें भी मिलेगा. यू ऑल्सो गेट दैट पिक्चर. एक्चुअली इसका सबसे क्लोज है.
सबसे आजा.
सबसे क्लोज.
बता अपना नाम बता.
चिराग विशाल नराल.
कितने तू कितने एक इंसान है कि तीन इंसान है? क्या नाम क्या है तेरा?
चिराग.
चिराग. और ये लुक कैसे लाया तूने?
वो सर ने किया.
कौन से सर ने?
वो सर है ना.
तेरे को पसंद है ये रखेगा तू रोज स्कूल में ऐसा करके जाएगा?
नहीं.
पसंद नहीं है तो फिर कैसा अपना हेयर स्टाइल कैसा है?
मेरा सिंपल है.
सिंपल. चलो वेरी गुड. बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर चिराग गाइस.
हाँ, सो रणवीर, ये क्योंकि अब ये सारे छोटे छोटे जग्गास हैं तो इन्हें बड़े जग्गा के साथ अब एक फोटो खींचने का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा. एंड कीप योर फोन्स इनसाइड. इन द मीन टाइम ये तीन जो लाजवाब लोग हैं जिन्होंने बाल बनाने में मदद की है, कैन वी हैव द नेम? शाहरुख. ये अजय. Raghu, Shahrukh and Ajay. Can we have a big round of applause for the three of them? Okay, Ranbir. Now, I think this is the last bit. Where is that? नहीं, table? बोल. अभी यहीं रखा था.
वो बोल कहाँ गया जो अभी वो लाल चिट्ठी वाला
उठा के ले गया बोल.
कौन लेकर गया बोल?
यहीं तो रखा था.
वो जो लाल
बोल
बोल कहाँ गया? अपनी जासूसी करो और बताओ वो कहाँ गया. वो आ गया.
ओके, सो ये पता है क्या है? You remember this? Okay, so now what Ranveer is going to do is हम इसमें से कुछ 5 या 6 सवाल जो है 5-6 डिपेंडिंग ऑन रणबीर वो कितने सवाल जो है वो जवाब देना चाहता है. So these are questions that you have written along with your names and which school. So Harshi Tiwari from GHK High School.
Where is Harshi Tiwari? Harshi Tiwari, please stand up.
Harshi
Hi,
Tiwari.
what's up? Yellow house, yellow dirty fellow.
ए तेरा नाम हर्षी है? हर्ष है? हर्षित. ओके, हर्षित तिवारी. हर्षित तिवारी का क्वेश्चन है कि रणबीर, who is your role model?
Who is my role model? I have one role model. I don't know if you know him. He's not that popular, but his name is Lionel Messi. He's a Barcelona player. It's my favorite team, and I think he's magic on the pitch. Whenever he plays, it just makes me very happy. So Lionel Messi is my role model.
Super.
या रोनाल्डो का कौन फैन है? Boo!
Oh, Vikas Pal from SHED. Are you here? वो है ना विकास पाल. विकास ने एक बहुत पर्सनल सवाल पूछा है.
Oh.
आपके 10th में कितने मार्क्स आए थे?
How much? अच्छा, जज मत करना. लेकिन जो मेरे बोर्ड, आप लोग के बोर्ड एग्जाम्स होते हैं अभी भी? हाँ. सो 10th में एक्चुअली मेरी क्या है ना, मेरी जो फैमिली की हिस्ट्री है वो इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. मेरे फादर 8th स्टैंडर्ड में फेल हुए थे. मेरे जो अंकल है वो 9th स्टैंडर्ड में फेल हो गए थे. मेरे जो दादा है वो 6th स्टैंडर्ड में फेल हो गए थे. तो मैं एक्चुअली अपने फैमिली मेम्बर में सबसे पढ़ा लिखा इंसान हूँ. जो 10th बोर्ड में जब मैंने 10th बोर्ड्स दिए थे तो आई हैड गॉट 56.3 बट माई बेस्ट ऑफ 5 सब्जेक्ट्स वॉज 60%.
ओके, अगला सवाल है फ्रॉम पिनिकल हाई स्कूल, गैब्रिएला फर्नांडिस. Where is Gabriela? I think Gabriela screamed the most right now. Where is Gabriela? Gabriela Fernandez. She has also asked you a very pechida sa question. If not an actor, then what profession would you choose and why?
Well, if I was not an actor, my first choice would be a struggling actor. because I would try and become an actor. But then yes, I would like to play football. But now y'all will not judge me, right? I'm 34 years old now. तो मैं बहुत बुढ़ा हूँ. My knees and all give way now when I play football. मैं इधर ही पीछे सेंट एंड्रूज में फुटबॉल खेलता हूँ. But I would try to be a football player. If not a football player, I would like to coach your football school team. If under 16, under 14, I would really like to coach.
Coach Ranbir, do you like that idea?
Yes!
Okay, so GHK High School के students कहाँ बैठे हैं? GHK High School.
Very
The uniform
disciplined.
in blue, right? Tell me, who is Pratik Pate? पटेल. पटेल है पाते? क्या इसने एल तो लिखा ही नहीं है. प्रतीक कहाँ है? प्रतीक, you want me to ask Ranbir your question or you ask your question?
Question बदल मत देना अभी.
पूछ.
Which is your favorite actress in Bollywood?
My favorite actress since the time I can remember films is Madhuri Dixit. मुझे याद है when Madhuri Dixit got married, I had a big heartbreak. So Madhuri Dixit is and will always be my favorite actress. Who's your favorite actress? Alia Bhatt,
No.
Shraddha Kapoor,
No.
Deepika Padukone, Katrina Kaif.
Yes.
Katrina Kaif.
बहुत शर्मा गया यार.
Somebody said where is Katrina Kaif? आपको कटरीना से मिलना है ना? वो एक्चुअली आज थोड़ी बीमार पड़ गई, so she cannot come. So everyone, let's have 5 seconds of silence to all hope कि Katrina gets well soon. Ready? Everyone keep quiet and look up to the skies and let's pray to God कि Katrina gets well soon. Next question.
Next question is Prarthana Kumhar. Are you here? Where? तो प्रार्थना is from SHED and she says, आपके स्कूल का बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन था और अब कौन है?
मेरे स्कूल में एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड था बिनॉय गांधी, अभी भी मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. वो एक्चुअली मेरे से 1 साल बड़ा था लेकिन फेल हो गया था तो मेरे क्लास में आ गया था. और आपको पता है ना कि जब 8 स्टैंडर्ड वाला 7 स्टैंडर्ड में आता है तो आप उसके साथ हैंग आउट करते हो तो थोड़ा कूल लगता है कि आपके साथ एक कोई आपसे एक सीनियर लड़का आपके साथ घूम रहा है. सो बिनॉय गांधी वॉज माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड इन स्कूल एंड ही स्टिल माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड.
Okay, next question is coming
थैंक यू
from
प्रार्थना.
Green Lawn School, Worli, and this is Satvi.
एक बात बोल, ये ग्रीन लॉन्स में एक्चुअली ग्रीन कलर के लॉन्स होते हैं कि ऐसे?
भाई फिलहाल बारिश में तो मुझे लगता है कि होने चाहिए. उसके
ग्रीन
बाद
लॉन्स
तो
होते हैं ग्रीन लॉन्स में?
ग्रीन लॉन्स का नहीं है, वो मना कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, अच्छा.
Okay, but this is a very interesting question, Ranbir, because even I want to know कि जब तुम छोटे थे, did you ever imagine कि एक दिन you would become so successful कि दुनिया जो है they'll become your fan, तुम्हारी फिल्में रिलीज होंगी, people will be able to watch you on screen, you'll be able to watch yourself on screen?
No, I never ever imagined. Yes, of course, I wanted to become an actor, do something in films. But I hope that all of you guys sitting out here, I think just one thing I've learned in my life is whatever you guys, once you all finish your education, just try and do what you love. When you do what you love and you try and work in that aspect, you will really enjoy your life because you will be going to some place or to some office, and if you love what you're doing, there is no greater high than that. So please guys, promise me all you guys are going to do what you love when you grow up. Say promise. Promise.
We'll take 3 more questions, and this is also an interesting question from Amar Yadav. He asked a very simple question. Why are you in Jagga Jasoos? Like, I don't know what this question is, but okay.
बहुत ही simple answer है. I'm the producer, so I casted myself. और किसी actors के dates थे नहीं. Mr. Shah Rukh Khan was not available, so I cast myself. No, we wanted to see Anurag Basu, the director. He had made a film with me called Barfi. Have you all seen Barfi? Yeah. Okay. So we always wanted to do a film together, and then he came up with this idea of a detective film, adventure, Tintin type, Indiana Jones, Hardy Boys. It's an adventure. He's finding his father. There are animals, there are songs. It's a musical, and I thought it was such an exciting genre. It was such an exciting new film for me to do as an actor. So I was just dying to do that film.
Okay, so 2 more questions, and Tanvi Shinde asks a very nice question. यार रणबीर, हमें ना जगह जासूस का एक डायलॉग सुनना है अभी.
क्या है कि जैसे बर्फी में मैं डेफ एंड म्यूट था तो बोल नहीं पाता था, तो एक ही था अर्फी, और ये फिल्म में मैं हकलाता हूँ तो ज़्यादा कुछ बोल नहीं पाता, तो मेरा नाम है जग्गा.
Wonderful, right? Come on. Put your hands together. Wow. Okay, last question. Meenakshi from Guru Harkishan High School. Where are you, Meenakshi?
Hi, Meenakshi.
Can we get a microphone to Meenakshi since this is the last question she can ask?
So, which tough things you have to do in this film?
Which tough things? Everything was tough, Meenakshi, because like I said, it was an adventure film.
Yeah.
We are fighting with a cheetah. We are running on a running train. We are being chased and we are sitting on an ostrich. You can see this. Yeah, ostrich hai. Haan. This was very hard because we actually sat on a live ostrich. So because it was an adventure film, there was a lot of action, there was a lot of thrill. So we had to do a lot of like these tough things. But it was so much fun because as an actor and as a human being, I would never get that chance to do all these things, right? So, but sometime you should try. If you go to South Africa ever in your life, there are these ostriches that you can ride and it's a lot of fun, but it's very hard also.
I also want to like.
So when you go, you should try.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Meenakshi.
Thank you, sir.
So, what time is it? Okay. Do you have football today?
Yes.
He does have football today. Did you guys have a good time? Maza aaya?
No, Suren asked me that because मुझे इतना मजा आया because of you guys. Thank you so much. Your energy, your love, your support is just amazing. अभी I don't care अगर आप जगह जासूस देखे या नहीं देखे. I'm so happy that I've got to नहीं. I care that आप लोग जगह जासूस देखे या नहीं देखे. But I'm so happy that I got to interact with you all. I felt this energy. I feel younger myself. So thank you so much, Bachcha Party. You guys have been amazing. Amazing.
Where are the parents? Parents कहाँ हैं? Parents हाथ ऊपर करें. प्लीज जग्गा जासूस के लिए लेके जाना 2 घंटे हमारे साथ है यहाँ पे. ऑलराइट सुपर रणबीर. बट इतने सारे जो कंटेस्टेंट्स थे दे गॉट टू बी विद यू. कुछ लोगों के बाल हमने बनाए दे गॉट टू बी विद यू. बाकी सबका क्या?
I think we should do a selfie together. क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग? Yeah? Everybody stand up. Stand up.
Stand up. Okay. Now listen. Can we increase the volume on my mic a little? अब जरा ध्यान से सुनो. रणबीर से मिलके अच्छा लगा? अब क्योंकि आप निकलने वाले